Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve this quadratic graph question. So we are given the equation of this graph. Let's look at part A. The equation is here. And using this equation, we could easily find the value of k, because the value of k happens when x is -2. So k is simply equals to 5 plus 3 times -2. X is -2 minus 2 times -2 square. And this will give me a value of -9. So I got my -9 here. Okay. And I'm going to draw this graph onto the grid at the other side. So I'm going to make it easier for me to refer to. I'm going to copy and paste over, and let's get started to plot the graph. Well, I have -9, so I'm going to go all the way down and see where this lead me to. Okay, there. So my very first point will be when x is -2, y is -9, which will be here. Alright, let's start plotting the point where we have -2 and -9, which is somewhere here. -2 in between -8 and 10. 1 and -1 and 0. And let's continue. So I will have 0 and 5. X is 0, y is 5. X is 0 0.5, y is 6. X is 1, y is 0 0.5. I mean 6. X is 2, y is 3. And x is 3, y is -4. When x is 3.5, y is -9. And the moment I have this, I can then start plotting the graph already. Okay, so I'm going to do it slowly. At this point, I just need to connect it up, down there. Slowly but surely. Let's continue to draw this graph. Okay, so when it's not so accurate, then this is something for us to slowly keep our hands steady. Okay, let's continue to make sure that we can continue to draw a steady, smooth curve and continue to connect all the points up. At this stage, make sure that it goes up in the middle before it goes down. Okay, that's important. It should not be a straight line, okay? It should be a curve. And let's continue. And continue to connect. And once you have this, you can then write out the equation of the line. So this is something that we must write. And that's for part B. Part C require us to find the values of x when y equals to -5 from your graph. So this is something that is important. We must show that we are really getting the answers from the graph. And so I'm going to draw the line y equals to 5, -5, sorry. And from here, then we can get the answer from the graph by drawing this dotted line. And from here, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1.6. This is for my part C, part 1. And the other answer will be here. 3.1. So draw this to indicate, draw this dotted line so that we can ascertain that you are really getting the answers from the graph. Okay? So that is something for us to take note of. And of course, the next question, find the coordinates of the maximum point, which is here. Again, do let people know that you are getting the answer from the graph. Okay? So in this case, it's in between 0.7, 0.8, 0.75. So this is for my C part 2. 6.1. So I've gotten my x and y value of the turning point 0.75 for my x and 6.1 for my y. And again, I've indicated here that I am really getting the answers from the graph. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.